Alright folks, once you have your image inserted in AutoCAD, you're ready to size it to the appropriate scale. So in our deliverables, we are asked to provide an 11 by 17 printout of our completed drawing. So the first thing we're going to do is scale this image to an appropriate size. If you type in DI, it's a shortcut for the distance command, and we'll be able to figure out how long the bottom side of our picture is. If you double check here in the bottom left-hand side, it says 280. So what we can do is we can actually type in UN and double check what units we're currently in. So you'll see that here we are in fact in millimeters. Perfect. If your precision is a little bit more precise than mine, you can probably select a singular 0 since rounding to the nearest millimeters is precise enough. Alright, go ahead and click OK. So we know that the bottom length of our image is 280 units. Well, if we want to place this image on an 11 by 17 piece of paper, we're going to have to figure out the distance of 17 inches in millimeters. So I have an inches to millimeter conversion chart right here, and I'm going to type in 17 inches, and it looks like it does come out to 431.8 millimeters. So this means that the bottom side of our image, rather than being 280, should be 431.8 to fit perfectly on an 11 by 17 piece of paper. So at this point, we will have to do a little bit of math. Go ahead and take out your calculator, and what we're going to do is we're going to divide 431.8, which is how many millimeters are in 17 inches, and we're going to divide that by the distance of our actual picture, which is 280. And we'll get 1.54. So this is how much larger our picture needs to be in order to adequately take up an 11 by 17 page. So I'm going to select it, I'm going to type in scale, I'm going to select the origin point as the reference point, and then I'm going to type in 1.54. And look at that, it's right along that bottom line that we drew. Looks like our scale is perfect. Once you got something like this, if you'd like, you can double check. You can type in DI once more. Let's check that bottom edge one more time, and it is indeed 431 millimeters, which roughly equates to 17 inches. Okay guys, once you got something like this, you're ready to move on to the next step.